Hi, my name is Sanjeev Said. Today we talk about what is a geomarketing and how does it work, how implement into our own business or our client business. So if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. What is geomarketing? Geomarketing basically is a tool for to sell our product on digitally. Basically, it's a physical to convert into now in digital space. So simple is that geomarketing is a tool for converting a physical product into a digital space. How does it work? So let's start. First of all, we start with the market research. Market research is a very important factor in their marketing. To research on your market, research mostly marketers do not focus on their customer. They do not know about what their customer desire, what customer want and need. So start with a customer market research. What are the things we looking for in a market research? First of all, we see what kind of customer are, what are their age, what are their gender, male, female, what their income rate, they are elite class, they are middle class, they are low class, or what type of our products are. Our product for everybody means low price to high price, or our product is expensive, so only for a high pay person. So where they live, what they are work for living, there is any hobby, what social gathering, what kind of page they like, what kind of activities they want to see. So this is a market. The more you spend time on market research, the more you increase your probability to make a very good campaign about your own audience. Tailor-made message to customer. The above I show you a previous slide in that if you make a research good, then your message automatically become a greater, because the all question we ask about is about our related customer. So if we know that which page they like, we target as a target them. If we know that what habits, let's suppose they have a basketball or cricket or football hobby, so we know that if they like football, or we can sell them stuff similar like that. If we know that they like traveling, so we can sell a traveling kind of stuff to them. So it's all depend upon their like and dislike. What is their secret desire? What their future goal? What they like to do? What they think they uh, get in their future? So it is very important to know about this kind of question. Second was that their main pain point. So what they are avoiding in their life. Everybody has nobody have a perfect life. Everybody have a some pain point they get rid of. For example, if we talk about in a uh, uh, let's suppose that a lifestyle niche. So if we talk about a weight loss niche, weight loss is, if somebody have a obese or overweight, so they have a pain point of overweight. So focusing on their pain point or give them a diet solution. So this is very important to know what their pain points are. What they perform going to use. Digital marketing is a very vast field, and we know that there are many social media platform are search engine, SEO, SEM, PPC, campaigns. There are lots of things to do. So by knowing our audience, the best way to know if this business person, if we conduct B2B business, company to company business, so we're looking for LinkedIn. If we do uh, e-commerce business, we're going for social media like Facebook or Instagram. If we have an educational program, we go for YouTube. So it's all depend on your market space. The market space shows you which platform or type of audience you live or spend their time on their social media accounts. So in my opinion, there are many effective. So let's talk about effective way of digital marketing. There are three effective way I think you can apply on starting or a beginning. Target your niche, depend on your niche. First of all, search engine optimization (SEO). Second was the social media marketing, and third is online advertising. Now let's see one by one what they are and how they are we implement on our business or our client business. First one was the search engine optimization (SEO). Blog is a very good way to build organic search results. You write about your product reviews, or if you have some connection to a very good blogger, you can give them a task or they write a blog for you. They promote your product. Mostly affiliate marketing doing this kind of stuff. They promote their product, other people's product. They are very big bloggers. They have a very big audience. This is one way. Second way is to you can doing by give your own blogs. You can make your own blog. So by doing this, you become very good at SEO. You tell about what you tell about in your blogs. You tell about your blogs about your product, pro and cons of product. Being honest is the best way to serve a customer. The more you honest about your product, every product has a pro con. So don't need to hide your cons. Always tell about what are the cons because you have maybe you have a multiple products and you have every product have let's suppose if one buy this product, second product have removed this con. So always tell about your con and pros. Provide upfront value so their product may be possible they do not buy in present time, they have a lot of money, but you have give a very good value, they make a very good relationship with the customer, so may be possible in future they buy your product. Second one is the social media marketing. There are many channels of social media marketing like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn. Which channel you should depend on your audience are used mostly. You create what you should do in a social media marketing. You have we talk about the organic way. So the organic way is free of cost. So what you do, you can publish your post every single week. Every single day. You can give them advice. You tell about your product. You tell about behind the scene. So it depends on which niche you are. If you are weight loss, for example, you say that our training program day by day, or you make your documentary, or you can document your own weight loss. You show that how much weight you lost every 2 weeks or 1 week, depending on what the kind of program was. So it's build a trust your audience. The more people trust on you, it build a good reputation in your market. So it's a very good way to start doing this on engage with your audience. Online advertising page. There's a kind of advertising page. First one PPC means pay per click. It's basically on search engine like Google and Bing. You can promote your uh, product on Google and Bing. And second one is also social media. You can also paid ads. For example, you make your Facebook ads in Business Manager account. So you make your also paid ad and later target your audience. So it depends upon which way you go for or which your audience like. If your audience is new and their search terms, keywords are very high volume, you go for Google and Bing. If you think your audience on Facebook or Instagram mostly, so you can target on those areas. Or if you have a very good budget and then you have a very skillful day marketer, they go for both and they can do a split testing. Split testing means 50% they give a budget on search engine and second 50% they give budget on social media. So you can test on both way. The maybe search engine perform better than social media, then you go for a search engine whole budget, or maybe social media perform better, so you can go for social media. Maybe you can 70-30 ratio, so you like this ratio, or you both campaign going to a profit, so you can both do marketing on both platforms. So hope you like this video, or if you have any related question about geo marketing and how does it work, please let me comment below. If you do like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. I see you in the next video. Thank you.